In this video, we are going to see how we can stop ChatGPT from using your content for training its model. So basically, what we'll do is we'll go to the settings and turn off the improve models for everyone, so your data will not be used for training ChatGPT. So what you do is you will go to the bottom left hand corner and click on your profile icon, and from here we head over to the settings. Under here, we will choose the option of data controls. And from here, it says improve the model for everyone. So basically this allows your content to be used to train our models, which makes ChatGPT better for you and for everyone who uses it. So basically, if it is using your chat to improve the model or train the model, and you don't want this to be done because of any kind of sensitive information or any project information to be shared, you simply disable that from here. Toggle that off. And similarly, you can turn off if this option is enabled. Include your audio recordings, include your video recording. It says include our audio and video recording from a voice to train our models. So you disable that as well. Click on done and just close out of here. Just make sure once that the changes are properly saved, go to the data controls, and here it should show that it is toggled off. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.